This is Michael Pinkowski with Parsimony. This is a quick rundown on how to sort of build a web page that lets you store some files that you want to be able to get to easily. Um, don't let the background throw you. This is just the desk version of Parsimony here. I'm going to go to the Awesome bar and type in web page, and I get to my list of web pages. And in this case, I've created one called Empowery Files. And it brings up the raw section. As I do this at the end of 2018, beginning of 2019, this is what this page looks like. There's a main section, which is raw HTML in here. And then there's a preview section that lets you see what we're doing. Our goal is going to be to add another document down here below miscellaneous templates in this thing. So here's the raw HTML that you see there. So this is a test page is right there, and that's what shows up there. And then Empowery Templates is in bold. That's what the HTML tags are telling us, and there's Empowery Templates in bold. So we will scroll down here to miscellaneous templates that you see here. The LI means it's a list, and there's miscellaneous templates. And then we have a second list inside that list. So we put in unordered list for that, and then we put in the list item. And in this case, you can see that coupon code doc example is coupon code doc example. And because it's got the ahref, it is a link, which means that you can get to it. All right, so let's start by attaching the file that we want to do. I'll go to attach file there. I will browse to get to the file that I want to upload. I just made a simple Word doc that I named letterhead, and it's just pretty much a blank file. You can see there's a tiny bit of text in there, but we'll go ahead and upload that. We will choose it, and we will make it public so that people can see it, and we will attach it. And it'll upload, and sure enough, there is letterhead docx. So in this case, I just want to have another line that looks like this but has the letterhead file in it. So what I'm going to do is just copy this list item here. But let me do it this way so that I get some indentation. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to hit return and paste it in. Now you'll see I've got two things, and in the preview it shows both of them. Now I'll come over here to letterhead, and I'm going to put down my control key and click on this once. You could, if you're on a Windows machine, you could right click. I'm on a Mac, so I use the control key. And I'm going to copy that link to that file. And now I need to edit this thing here. So I could actually do it, the other way I could do it here would be to just strip out the part that I don't want here. But to make sure I've got the right link, I'm going to take out all of this. And now I've just got those two quotes. Now I will paste in that link that I just copied. And you see it's called letterhead.docx. And I'm going to take off this portion here so that it just goes to files. And then I'll change this to whatever I want, but I'll just call it letterhead template. And it looks like it's showing up the way I want down here. So the key then is to save it. And once saved, I can scroll back up here to the very top of the page, and I can see it on the website. So I'll click on that, and it brings up the actual web page as if it's wide open to the public. This is what they would see. And sure enough, there's the file. Now when I want to download it, in this case, I think I can actually just click on it and it will download it. Sure enough, you saw it flash over here to show my downloads. There's my file. I can double click on it and it opens up, and it's the file called letterhead. Let's close that one that I did before. So here's the file called letterhead, and then you see it's just a temp file that I created, but there's your downloaded file. All right. That's how it works. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help. Thanks.